What's the Rad Squad? Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am pretty excited because we are finally filming a video on how to replace the reverse lights on the Kia K5, specifically the 2025 Kia K5. This one, they removed the LED lights from the tail light housing and put it into the bumper, the lower bumper. For this video, we're probably the first to do this on YouTube because I've been looking around and I have not found a single video on how to completely replace the OEM incandescent lights in here. So we have some brand new LEDs from AUXITO. These are the 921 LED series. These are their flagship LEDs right now. These feature the 3030 LED bulbs, so that obviously gives you over 300% more light over the OEM incandescent lights that we have here right now. So for today's video, let's go ahead and first of all figure out how to take the bumper off, and then we'll dive in and give a thorough unboxing and an installation of these LED lights into our 2025 Kia K5. So for a quick little unboxing, again, these are the 921, 912 LED series from AUXITO. These feature a built-in resistor and obviously is compatible with about 99% of vehicles on the market. So it features an aluminum construction. You can see those 3030 LED bulbs on each side all the way around the light bulb. At the front of it, we have a fan, and this helps to dissipate your heat and to cool the LED bulbs after a long period of time. Usually being the reverse light, they won't really be on for a long period of time. However, that fan just ensures you have maximum performance and cooling for your LED bulbs. And these feature a 360 lighting to ensure you have the most visibility out of your LED bulb. So let's go ahead and take the bumper off and dive into this install. All right, guys, so let's just say the designers at Kia weren't the smartest. To get the bumper off, you first have to take the tail lights out. To get that out, it is a 10 mil sockets behind the tail lights. Screw those out, and then you have access to this clip right here, or tab, and then this little black tab right here. Once you get that tab out, now you have to unscrew this. I believe this is a 10 as well, or you could use a Phillips. I recommend not using a power tools just to not strip or damage your screws. So I'm just gonna ratchet this one out. Super easy. And once that's out, the bumper is pretty much free, at least on this side for now. So I'm gonna go on the opposite side and repeat the same process until we have the bumper off. Now, once you're finished on top of the bumper with all those screws, you're still not done yet. You still have these little tabs kind of hooking the bumper in place, kind of hold it up. At the top of it, up here, there's like a little black clips. You have to use these little things and pop out. So I'll see if I can find this one right here. That one is out. And then our last one on this side, same thing. Once it pops out, then the bumper is now pretty much freed to take. Now that we have the bumper off, let's just say this was not the easiest thing to do. Anyways, you gotta disconnect the blind spot or sensor, all the parking sensors, lights. It's a disaster. The bumper is well put together. I give him that. In terms of overall support, it's great, but it was not the easiest to remove. But now that you have the bumper off, to replace those lights, all you simply have to do is twist these little incandescent bulbs that we have right here, and then they pop right out just like that. Once we took the OEM housing in, just pull on the bulb, incandescent bulb, and then now we'll gently grab our 912 series from AUXITO and snap it in there. Just like that. Ensure it's snug. And that's it. Now we put it back in there the same way we took it out and twist. Now it is back where we took it from. So this little thing right here is to obviously prevent from spinning. So make sure you twist it the right way. So start right. Here we go, right there, and then twist. And now it's locked in place. Once you clip it back together, this will stop it from spinning. There we go. Pop your incandescent bulbs out, and then replace that with our last fit 912 LED series to give us that LED performance. Snap it in there, and that's how it looks after you snap it in there. Just before I put this one in, just take a look at the construction of this bulb. The aluminum feels really, really great, super sturdy. And then the LEDs are obviously protected by all that aluminum bezels around it. I'll get the camera to focus a little bit. There we go. As opposed to the incandescent bulb, just a normal glass bulb, super dull, yellow. The construction of this thing is pretty nice. It is robust. It looks really good. And then again, that fan on the front of it to ensure that you have cooling. Yeah, my hands are completely beat up from taking the bumper off. But nonetheless, great bulb from AUXITO. Again, this is one of their flagship series right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this one, reinstall the bumper, and see how this looks. Now let's do a quick time lapse of pretty much getting the bumper on. Again, I showed you step by step how to take it off, so it should be pretty simple to get it on. First, we just gotta ensure that we have these bottom tabs in place. So clip it into the top ones first, that we have some sort of support. Go around to the side. Now that we have our bumper somewhat stable, now we just repeat the same process that we did initially by beginning with the 10 mil right here and or clip. So I'll put in that clip first, then our 10 mil right here. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There we go. Now for the tail light reinstall, it's the same thing. Just line it up with the little holes right here. First, grab our plug on the inside, if I could find that. Clip it back to the socket. Line the holes up. And there we go. And so again, these are a 10 mil. I didn't use any type of tool to remove it, because once I use this, it was already twisting by itself. So I'm going to pretty much use the same amount of torque to put it back on without using any type of tools. So now that we completed the installation of our 912 series AUXITO LED reverse bulbs, this is a scope of lighting that we have in the rear. Super bright, even against a black surface. We have a lot of light, unlike the previous incandescent bulbs that we have. Super bright. Initially, I did thought about swapping the license plate lights as well, because those are incandescent as well. But with the LED lights, reverse light being so bright, I think that those will suffice for now. But again, guys, if you want to swap these out on your K5, we are obviously the first to do this on YouTube. So be sure to use this video as a reference to complete your install. But furthermore, you already know I have a discount for you guys, 15% off. Right now, head to AUXITO's website and use the code in the video's description. Also use the link to make your purchase to get 15% off. And if you have these LED lights, be sure to leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how these perform for you. Just installed these, so obviously we'll be testing these for a longer term to see how well they perform. But again, guys, I'm super excited. It's a lot of work for a big change, and I'm really excited about it. So again, use the code in the video's description. Use the link to get your percentage off, 15% off. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Be sure to leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.